Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. We are doing exercise 2.1. Okay, let's start exercise 2.1, lesson 2, fraction. Question number 5. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to larger one. So take the first one. Question is 1 upon 8, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 5. What we have to do first, take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominators 8, 10, 7, 5. In the left side we find the LCM 8, 10, 7, 5. Now the first smallest factor we take, it's 2. In 2, 8 goes 4 times, 10 goes 5 times, 7 as it is and 5 as it is. Now next we take again 2. 2 2s are 4, 5, 7, 5. Again we take 2, 1, 5, 7, 5. हम 2 तब तक लेंगे जब तक कि 2 से कोई नंबर डिवाइड होता रहेगा. ना यहाँ पर कोई भी नंबर ऐसा नहीं है जो 2 से डिविजिबल हो. सो वी टेक द सेकेंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर विल बी 5. 5 में 7 नहीं आएगा. वी राइट 7 एज इट इज़. Sorry, here is 1. Now we take 7 here. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 14 7s are 280. So LCM will be 280. Now second step is find the equivalent fraction of each fraction. Here you have to find the equivalent fraction of each fraction such that the denominator of each equivalent fraction must be equal to 280. आपको इन सभी के इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट करने हैं और उनके जो इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन आएंगे कुछ इस तरह का फाइंड आउट करना है जिसमें कि उनके डिनोमिनेटर, उनके इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस के जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हों वो 280 के बराबर हों. तो अब यहाँ है 8 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 280 आ जाए. तो उसके लिए आप सिंपली 8 से 280 को डिवाइड करके चेक कर लीजिए कितने में जा रहा है. 8 3 ज़ा 24, 0 5, 8 5 ज़ा 40. सो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 8 बाई 35 by same one also. So it comes 35 on 280. Now second equivalent fraction of 3 by 10. इसमें मेरे को 280 लाना है. So 10 multiplied by 28. Here also 3 multiplied by 28. So it comes 84. 84 yeah. Next one is 2 upon 7. So it multiply by 40. 2 40s are 80. Next one is 4 upon 5. It multiply by 26. So 4 into 26 how much? Sorry, 40. It's 56. 56. It 56. Okay. Not 26. It's 56. So 4 into 26 how much? 4 into 56. 6 4 24 to carry. 4 5 20 22. Okay. Now arrange this equivalent fraction. You have to arrange this equivalent fraction. Now if it's seen here, the denominators are equal, so you just ignore the denominator, just only see the numerator and arrange the numerator in the ascending order. So the first smallest numerator is smallest numerator is 35, 35 upon 8, 280. You have to give the sign also, this smaller sign. Second number will be 80 upon 280, then 84 upon 280, then 224 upon 280. Okay, now write its original fractions. So 35 upon 280 is the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 8. So on the place of replace 35 by 280 by 1 by 8. 80 upon 280 is 2 by 7. 84 3 by 10, and 224 is 4 by. So here use ascended fractions. Okay, ये आपका ascended हो गया है order में. Now question number 6. Arrange the fraction in descending order. Okay, see the second part of this question. 7 whole 3 by 10, 19 upon 4, 8 whole 1 upon 4, and 14 upon 5. Here in this one, some are mixed fraction. So first we convert it into improper fraction. इसको पहले चेंज कर लेते हैं. 10 7s are 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10, then 19 upon 4, 33 upon 4, and 14 upon 5. Now we have to follow the same rule what we have applied in the question number 5. First step is LCM of 10, 4, 4 and 5. So here we find the LCM 10, 4, 4, 5. So take 2, 5, 2, 2, 5. Again we take 2, 5, 1, 1, 5, 5. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. Now find the equivalent fraction. 10 multiply by 2 to get 20. Here comes 146. Then second one is 19 by 4. So to bring 20, to get 20 we multiply 4 by 5. 19 5 the 95. 33 upon 4. So we have to get how much? 20. We have to make 4 what? How much? 20. So we multiply 4 by 5. 165. And the last one is 14 upon 5. So 5 किससे multiply करें कि 20 आ जाए? 4 से 56. Okay. Now you have to arrange in descending order. So just arrange this equivalent fraction in descending order. Again, so just ignore the denominators. Just only arrange its numerator part only. So the greatest numerator part is 165 upon 20. This time we use this sign, greater sign. Then 146 upon 20, greater sign. Then 95 upon 20, greater sign, and 56 upon 20. Now write its original form, original fraction. So 165 upon 20 is the equivalent fraction of 33 by 4. Then 73 upon 10, 19 upon 4, and 14 upon 5. Clear? Is the answer. Now see question number 7. Question 7 is a rectangular sheet dot last part is find its perimeter. Now here the rectangular sheet is given you whose length is 6 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter and the breadth is 4 whole 1 upon 2 centimeter. You have to find its perimeter, means find the perimeter of the sheet. So suppose this is your sheet, it is 6 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter long and 4 whole 1 upon 2 centimeter wide. Length of sheet is 6 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter and the breadth of sheet is 4 whole 1 upon 2 centimeter. Clear? Now you have to find perimeter of sheet. So this is a rectangular shape, so the perimeter of rectangle is how much? It's 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 6 whole 2 upon 3 plus 4 whole 1 upon 2. Now solve this. 6 3 is 18, 18 to 20 upon 3 plus 9 upon 2. Now take the LCM of 3 and 2, it's come 6. In the table of 3, 6 comes how much time? 2 times. So 2 into 20, it comes 40. In the table of 2, 6 comes how much time? 3 times. So 3 9s are 27. So 2 into 40 plus 27 is how much? 67 upon 6. You can cancel this. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 67 upon 3 centimeter. You can change it also in mixed form. So 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. 1. So 1 upon 3 and 22. 22 whole 1 upon 3 centimeter is the perimeter. Clear? Question number 9th. Question number 9th. Question number 9th. Gopi purchased dash dash. How much milk is left? How much milk is left with Gopi? Now the student question is, Gopi purchased 5 whole 1 upon 6 liter of milk. Gopi purchased कितना परचेज किया, कितना लीटर ऑफ मिल्क परचेज किया है? 5 whole 6 1 upon 6 लीटर ऑफ मिल्क, इतना उसने परचेज किया है, मीन्स खरीदा है. फ्रॉम जस्ट अ मिनट. गोपी परचेज्ड मिल्क फ्रॉम फर्स्ट शॉप. पहले शॉप से उसने कितना लीटर मिल्क लिया है? 5 whole 1 upon 6 लीटर. क्लियर? नाउ गोपी परचेज्ड मिल्क फ्रॉम सेकंड शॉप. सेकंड शॉप से कितना लिया उसने? 2 whole 1 upon 3 लीटर. सो टोटल परचेज्ड मिल्क कितना हो गया? टोटल कितना उसने परचेज किया? तो वी ऐड दिस 5 whole 1 upon 6 प्लस 2 whole 1 upon 3. 6 5 30, 31 upon 6 plus 7 upon 3. LCM of this is 6. In the table of 6, 6 comes how much time? 1 time. So 1 into 31 is 31 plus. In the table of 3, 6 comes 2 times. So 2 into 7, 14. It comes 5 4. 45.6 liter. This is the total liter of milk. Okay. Now second part of the question is, he gave 4 whole 1 upon 2 liter of milk to a poor friend. अब उसने 4 होल 1/2 लीटर मिल्क किसको दे दिया है, अपने एक पुअर फ्रेंड को. सो ही गेव 4 होल 1/2 लीटर of milk to his poor friend. So इतने में से 45.6 में से कितना लीटर उसने दे दिया है, 4 होल 1/2 लीटर, मीन्स 45.6 माइनस 9/2. हाउ मच, LCM 6, 45, because in the table of 6 comes one time, so 1 into 45 is 45. In the table of 2 6 comes how much time, 3 time. 3 into 9 27. Subtract this, 15 minus 7 8, 3 minus 2 1. Okay, it comes 3 liter. So how much liter of milk is left with the gopi, how much liter, 3 liter. So write the solution that gopi 3 liter of milk is left. Okay, 3 liter of milk is left with gopi. This is the final answer. Take the screenshot of this. Now question number 10. Question number 10th, first part. Subtract 2/7 from the sum of 1/5 and 4/7. Clear? Means first we have to add this. Okay, first we have to add this. Whatever the result you get from that answer, you have to subtract this one part. So first of all, add 1/5 plus 4/7. LCM we take 35. In the table of 35 comes 7 times, so 7 into 1, 7 into 7 into 7. In the table of 7, 35 comes 5 times, 5 into 4, 20. It comes 27/35. Now 2/7, subtract 2/7 from how much the result come, from 27/35. So we write 27 first. 27/35 minus 2/7. Now take the LCM. Again it comes 35. In the table of 35 comes 1 time, 1 into 27, 27, minus in the table of 7, 35 comes 5 time, 5 2s are 10. It comes 17/35 is your answer. Clear? Now your homework is do question number 10th, third part of exercise 2.1 in your classwork copy. Okay, you can take the screenshot. Clear? Thank you class for watching this video.